Hello students, NCERT Solutions Class 12 Physics. Chapter is Electric Charges and Fields. Question number 3. Check that the ratio of Ke square upon G MEMP is dimensionless. Look up a table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does the ratio signify? In this question, given the ratio of this Ke square upon G MEMP, we know that force or electric force, you can say electric force between an electron and proton is given by this F is equal to Ke square upon R square, and the force and the gravitational force between the electron and proton is given by this Fg is equal to G, mass of the electron into mass of the proton, upon R square. This is equation number 2. Now on dividing equation 1, this is Fe upon this 2 Fg. So this is equal to this Ke square upon this is G Me into MP. This ratio, is the ratio of same quantities, therefore it is dimensionless. Now its value is this Fe upon Fg is equal to, we know that the value of K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, and the value of E, this is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 whole square, upon G, capital G, gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31, and the mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Now on putting these values and on solving, this is equal to 2.27 into 10 raised to power 39. From here it is clear that the electric force is greater than gravitational force. This electric force is greater than gravitational force. So this is the answer of this question. क्वेश्चन में कहता है कि व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ दिस Ke स्क्वायर अपॉन G MEMP. इसकी वैल्यू हमें कैलकुलेट करनी थी, सभी कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू हमने पुट की और सॉल्व करने पर दिस इज 2.27 into 10 to the power 39, and from here it is clear this value of Fe is greater than the gravitational force between the mass, between the electron and proton. So this is the answer. Thank you.